So according to our latest update, as far as the Supreme Court taking up the matter on Haryana violence, there has been a plea that has now been taken up with regards to the violence that happened in Nuh, and the community which has moved to Supreme Court and has been now seeking a stay on the multiple protests that have been organized by the VHP. As the VHP has demanded and has called for pan-India protests, now the plea has been seeking to stop the rallies announced by the VHP-Bajrang Dal, especially when it comes to Delhi NCR, following the violence that happened in Nuh. And this is as far as the Nuh violence in Haryana is concerned. It has now been mentioned in the Supreme Court and is now seeking a stay on the multiple protest meetings that are being planned and organized by the VHP in different parts of the country. The pictures of the protests that already have started to come in, and this is with regard to the Monday violence that was witnessed in Nuh. And here is the community that is seemingly has now moved the Supreme Court, the top court, and wants the court to take into cognizance the violence that was reported in Haryana's Nuh and adjoining districts of that have been affected because of the violence, and they are seeking now for a stay on the rallies and the protests and the dharnas that are being organized by the VHP and the Bajrang Dal. In the meantime, let's play out a ground report.
Violence that erupted over a procession of Vishwa Hindu Parishad in the Nuh district of Haryana has reached Gurugram as well. We are reporting from Badsapur, where there were isolated incidents of arsoning and some of the shops were torched. This is one of the particular shop of a mattress in Badsapur which was completely torched by a agitated mob, because what we are learning that they were on the streets rampaging with their purpose.
To Supreme Court and the matter being taken up there. Harish, can you fill us in with the details?
Related matter has reached Supreme Court with senior advocate Siu Singh, who is representing the Muslim community, seeking an immediate stay on the protest rallies by Bajrang Dal and Vishwa Hindu Parishad in various parts of Haryana and Delhi. He has told the court that around 27 protest meetings are planned to protest against what happened at Nuh, and Supreme Court should restrain these organizers from hosting it, because there is a threat of further escalation and hate speech and hate crimes. But the Supreme Court has, as of now, refused to intervene, and because the matter where it should have been mentioned, that is before Chief Justice bench, that is busy hearing the Article 370 matters.
All right. Harish, I just have to interrupt. We are